Hey everyone, welcome back to the podcast. I'm Emily.
And I'm Daniel. It's really good to have you here with us today.
How are you doing, Daniel?
Honestly, I'm doing pretty well today. I had a slow morning, though.
A slow morning?
Yeah. I woke up, looked at my phone, checked the time, and then just stayed in bed for another 20 minutes.
20 minutes?
Okay, maybe 30.
That sounds more honest.
I knew you were going to say that.
What about you? How was your morning?
Pretty normal. I made some coffee, opened my window, and just enjoyed a quiet morning. It felt nice.
Oh, I like quiet mornings. They make me feel calm.
Exactly. But you know what?
What?
I was thinking about something while I was drinking my coffee.
That sounds serious.
Not too serious. I was thinking about how people speak when they feel confident.
Ah, confidence.
Yes, and especially confidence when speaking English.
That's actually a really important topic. I know many people who understand English quite well, but when they have to speak...
They suddenly become very quiet?
Exactly.
I know that feeling.
You do?
Of course. Sometimes you know exactly what you want to say in your head, then someone asks you a simple question, and suddenly your brain says, "No English today."
Yes, please come back tomorrow.
Exactly.
And the funny thing is, sometimes the question is very easy.
Like, where are you from?
Right.
Or what do you do?
Or even, how are you?
And you know the answer.
But you start thinking too much.
Is my sentence correct? Is my pronunciation okay? Did I use the right word?
And while you are thinking about all that, the other person is just waiting.
Oh, yes. That can make you even more nervous.
Exactly.
And then you speak very quietly.
Or you say yes. Even when the question needs a much longer answer.
What did you do this weekend?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
That would be a very difficult conversation.
Definitely.
But I think this is something a lot of English learners experience. They don't always need more English. Sometimes they need to feel more comfortable using the English they already know.
That's a good point.
You can know hundreds of words and still feel nervous when you speak.
And you can make small mistakes and still have a great conversation.
Exactly.
I think that's something people forget.
What do you mean?
They think confident English means perfect English.
Yes, that's a big misunderstanding.
You don't need perfect English to speak with confidence.
You just need to keep going.
And communicate your idea.
Right.
Actually, let's try something with everyone listening.
Oh, okay. I like this.
Imagine you meet someone for the first time. They smile and say, "Hi, how are you?"
What do you usually say?
Maybe, "I'm good, thank you."
That's perfectly fine.
But you can make it a little more natural by adding something.
Like, I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Exactly.
Simple.
Very simple. And everyone listening can repeat it with us.
Okay, let's do it slowly.
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Now you.
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Nice. See? You don't need a difficult sentence.
You just need to say the simple sentence clearly.
And don't rush.
That's important. I think rushing is another problem.
Why?
Because when people feel nervous, they often try to speak quickly.
Oh, that's true.
They think fast English sounds better.
But sometimes fast English is harder to understand.
Exactly. Speaking slowly and clearly can actually make you sound more confident.
That makes sense.
Think about it. If someone speaks very fast and keeps stopping, you may think they're nervous.
But if they take their time and speak clearly, you feel more relaxed listening to them.
Right.
So maybe confidence isn't about speaking fast.
No.
Maybe it's about feeling comfortable with your own voice.
I really like that.
Me too.
But let me ask you something.
Sure.
Have you ever felt nervous speaking English in front of other people?
Oh, definitely.
Really?
Yes, especially when I thought the other person spoke English better than me.
What happened?
I started thinking about every word before I said it.
That sounds exhausting.
It was. Someone would ask me a question, and I would think, okay, what is the perfect answer?
And did you find the perfect answer?
Usually no.
Same. Sometimes I knew the answer, but I couldn't say it naturally because I was trying too hard to make it perfect.
That is such a common problem.
And then I realized something.
What?
The other person usually wasn't looking for a perfect answer.
Exactly.
They just wanted to talk to me.
That's a big difference.
Yes. When you remember that, speaking becomes easier.
You stop thinking, I need to impress this person.
And you start thinking, I just want to have a conversation.
That's much more relaxed.
It really is. And I think that's what we want to focus on today.
Not perfect English.
Not difficult words.
Not complicated sentences.
Just speaking clearly, naturally, and with confidence.
Exactly. Let's imagine another situation.
Okay.
You're at a small cafe, you're standing in line, and someone next to you starts talking to you.
Oh, I like this situation.
The person says, "Is this your first time here?"
I could say, yes, it is.
Good. Then maybe they ask, "What do you usually order?"
What would you say?
"I usually get coffee."
Perfectly natural.
Or, "I usually get a coffee and something small to eat."
Good. Then I could ask them, what about you?
Exactly. And suddenly you have a conversation.
Even though every sentence is simple.
That's the important part.
You don't need to tell a long story.
You just answer and ask a question back.
Answer and ask.
Answer and ask.
That sounds almost too easy.
It is easy, but people often forget to do it.
Let's practice that idea.
Okay?
I'll start. What do you usually do on weekends?
I usually stay home or meet my friends. What about you?
I usually go for a walk or spend time with my family. What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedies. They help me relax.
See?
3 simple answers, and the conversation keeps moving.
That's confidence in action.
And listeners, you can practice this too.
Ask yourself, what do you usually do on weekends?
Answer out loud.
Don't just think about the answer.
Say it.
Even if it's simple.
I usually stay home.
Or, I usually go out with my friends.
Or, I usually watch movies.
Great. And now ask yourself, what about you?
That's a very useful little question.
Yes. What about you?
It keeps the conversation alive.
And you can use it almost anywhere.
With friends.
With coworkers.
With new people.
Even when you're traveling. Exactly.
You know what I like about this?
What?
Confidence can start with very small things,
Like saying one sentence clearly.
or asking one simple question.
Or looking at someone and saying, hi.
That's true.
You don't suddenly wake up one morning and become a completely confident speaker.
You build it little by little,
One conversation at a time.
one sentence at a time.
One small mistake at a time.
Yes, we can't forget the mistakes.
No, mistakes are part of speaking.
And sometimes they're funny.
Very funny.
Have you ever made a funny mistake in English?
Oh, yes. More than once.
Tell me one.
Okay. One time I wanted to say that I was a little tired, but I said something completely different.
What did you say?
I don't even remember exactly, but the other person looked at me like, "What?" I had to stop, laugh, and try again.
And what happened?
Nothing. We laughed and continued talking.
Exactly.
That's the lesson.
If you make a mistake, don't stop the whole conversation.
Just try again.
Let me say that again.
Oh, that's useful.
Very useful.
Everyone, repeat this with us. Let me say that again.
Let me say that again.
Your turn.
Let me say that again.
Great.
And you can use that when you make a mistake, forget a word, or simply want to say something more clearly.
And you don't have to apologize every time you make a small mistake.
Right.
You can simply continue.
That's what confident speakers do.
They keep the conversation moving.
Even when something isn't perfect.
I think that's probably one of the biggest changes people can make.
Which one?
Stop waiting until your English is perfect before you start speaking.
Yes.
Start speaking with the English you have now.
And slowly, your English will become better.
Exactly.
Actually, let me ask you one more thing.
Go ahead.
When someone speaks English confidently, what do you notice first?
I notice their voice.
Their voice?
Yes, they don't speak too quietly, they don't rush, and they sound comfortable.
I agree.
What about you?
I notice that they don't seem afraid of silence.
Oh, that's interesting.
If they need a second to think, they just pause.
Instead of saying, 10 times.
Exactly.
So a short pause is okay.
More than okay.
It can actually make your speech clearer.
Right. You can breathe, think, and then continue.
Let me think.
Another useful expression.
Let me think.
Everyone can repeat that one too.
Let me think.
Nice.
And now, imagine someone asks you a question in English tomorrow.
Maybe at work,
Maybe at school.
maybe while traveling.
Maybe you meet someone new.
Don't try to give the perfect answer.
Take a breath.
Listen to the question.
Give a simple answer.
And if you can, ask a question back.
That's it.
Simple English.
Clear voice.
Calm mind.
And a little courage.
That sounds like a good place to start.
So, Daniel, after everything we talked about, I think confidence is actually much simpler than people think.
I agree. You don't need perfect English. You need to be willing to use the English you already know.
Exactly. And sometimes one small change can make a big difference.
Like slowing down.
Or speaking a little louder.
Or not being afraid of making mistakes.
And asking questions.
Yes. Remember our little conversation?
What about you?
Such a simple question, but it's powerful.
Because it keeps the conversation going.
And when you don't know what to say, you can use simple expressions.
Let me say that again.
Let me think.
What about you?
These are small sentences, but they can help you feel more comfortable.
Let's repeat them one more time together.
Let me say that again.
Your turn.
Let me think.
And one more.
What about you?
Great.
And remember, don't wait for perfect English.
Start with simple English.
Speak slowly.
Take your time.
And if you make a mistake, keep going.
Exactly. A mistake doesn't mean you failed.
It means you're speaking.
I love that.
Me too.
So, here's your little challenge today.
Talk to yourself in English for 1 minute.
Talk about your day, your plans, your family, or something you enjoy.
Don't worry about being perfect.
Just keep speaking.
And if you stop, take a breath and start again.
You can do it.
Absolutely.
And now we want to hear from you.
What is one thing you want to become more confident about?
Write your answer in the comments using simple English.
Maybe, I want to speak English with confidence.
Or, I want to speak to new people.
Whatever your answer is, write it down and practice saying it out loud.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and don't be afraid of small mistakes.
Your English doesn't have to be perfect to be understood.
And your voice deserves to be heard.
Take care, everyone.
Bye, everyone. See you soon.